Okay, so we've got this shape here, and what we want to do is we want to translate it here to the kind of right hand side of it. Okay, so we're literally going to take this shape and move it. Okay, so this is point A, and this is point A1. So we've got A and A1. I want to transfer my points from A to A1. Step one in this, right, this is a simple translation, is I'm going to draw all the lines across. So I'm just going to take all my lines. I've already drawn them out in my stage 1 of this video. I'm just going to just translate them all the way over here, okay? So I'm just literally carrying over the lines, keeping the little work down for myself. Now, so I know that this is kind of 0, point 0, okay? And this is like my axes here. So I know everything from here, we can take that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get my angle here, okay? Now we could do this if we wanted using sliding set squares, but we're not going to do it that way. I'm going to use my compass, okay? And every time that I'm going to mark in a point, and it's going to be on one of these lines, okay? It's going to be on one of these lines, and I'm going to mark how far back it is from this kind of axis here, okay? So the first point I want to get here is that one. So I'm going to take the compass, I'm going to place it here, okay? So I've gotten the length from there to there, right? Think of this axis here, and this is axis A, and this is axis A1, this one here, okay? I'm going to mark it. Okay, so now we've got our first angle. Okay, so we've taken that line there all the way from here. Now, next line I'm going to draw is I'm going to draw in this line. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my compass on here on A. I'm going to find out where this point is here, and I'm going to measure it as far as here. Okay? So that's my first point. I found that point there. Now I've got to find this one here. Okay, so up here in the corner. So mark it from here all the way out to this point here. Okay? I'm going to use my second axis. Okay? And again, I'm going to draw this in nice and light because this is a construction line. Remember that, this is a construction line. Okay, so that's it there. I've got my first two lines. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually find this line here, or this kind of axis. I'm going to move this, I'm going to take it, I'm going to revolve it over to here. Okay, so again, taking my compass, I'm going to find from the point here, A, say one total width. I know it's 95, but let's just use the compass. Place it on there, up to here. No, it's the same length of 95. Place it here, mark it in. Voila, draw it. Into. Now, I can see this here. Watch. I've got this point here. So I'm going to take my compass, place it on A, draw it in from there. Okay. So we know, after all, that was very simple, very quick, we have the general outline. So let me just go over that a little bit harder in the pencil. At least then you might be able to see it. So what we've done there is we've taken a shape and translated it. Okay, so we translated from one point to the other. That's what's called that's just a simple translation. Okay, there's three other methods of translation that we're going to go through in this kind of module or this chapter. Okay, and we'll go through them at ease. So let's just show the second shape here. Okay. Okay, so that's the entire shape complete there. Feel free to colour it in yellow to complete the sign.